Hey there and welcome to Maximum Cultivator. Have you ever dreamt of growing your own fresh, nutritious produce right at home, or even starting a profitable business? Well, you're in the perfect place. Today, I've got something incredible for you. A free ebook that will guide you step by step on how to start your own hydroponic farm. Whether you're just a beginner or an aspiring entrepreneur, this ebook is jam-packed with valuable insights to help you succeed in hydroponics. Imagine having the ability to grow fresh vegetables, herbs, and even fruits without soil, using a method that conserves water and produces higher yields. With hydroponics, you can grow food anywhere, whether you live in a city apartment, have a small backyard, or want to start a commercial farm. So why should you download this ebook? Let's break it down. Comprehensive guide. Everything you need to know about hydroponic farming in one place. Step-by-step instructions, from setting up your system to growing your first plants. Proven business strategies. Learn how to turn hydroponics into a profitable venture. Time-saving tips. Avoid common mistakes and accelerate your success. Absolutely free. No hidden costs, just pure value. Hydroponic farming is a game changer in the agriculture industry, and this ebook gives you everything you need to get started. Our ebook, How to Start a Hydroponic Farm, Guide to Profitable Hydroponics, is filled with expert insights, including Introduction to Hydroponics. Learn the basics of soil-free farming and why it's the future of agriculture. Types of hydroponic systems. Discover different setups and determine which one is best for you. Step-by-step setup guide. Get detailed instructions on assembling and maintaining your system. Best plants for hydroponic farming. Identify the most profitable and easiest to grow crops. Nutrient management. Understand how to mix and balance nutrients for optimal plant growth. Lighting and environmental control. Optimize LED. Grow lights, humidity, and temperature. Troubleshooting and maintenance. Prevent common problems like algae buildup and root rot. Cost analysis and profitability. Explore the financial aspects including startup costs and potential earnings. Marketing and business strategies. Get tips on branding and selling your hydroponic produce. Scaling your hydroponic farm. Learn how to expand your operation and increase profitability. Eco-friendly and sustainable practices. Discover how hydroponics helps conserve water and promote environmentally friendly agriculture. This ebook is for everyone interested in modern, sustainable farming. Home gardeners, grow fresh veggies all year round, even indoors. Aspiring entrepreneurs, start your own profitable hydroponic farm. Farmers, upgrade to an eco-friendly and high-yield farming method. Students and researchers, gain insights into cutting-edge agricultural techniques. Urban dwellers, maximize small spaces to grow food efficiently. Chefs and culinary experts, ensure a fresh supply of herbs and vegetables. Eco-conscious individuals. Learn how hydroponics reduces the environmental footprint of traditional agriculture. Getting your hands on this value-packed ebook is super easy. Here's how. Step 1. Visit our website, Maximum Cultivator. Step 2. Sign up with your email. Step 3. Get instant access to your ebook. That's it. You're just one click away from transforming your farming journey. Whether you want to grow food for personal use or start a thriving business, this ebook gives you everything you need to take that first step. The world is changing, and so is the way we grow food. With increasing concerns about food security, climate change, and land scarcity, hydroponics is leading the way as a sustainable farming solution. By downloading this ebook, you're taking a big step toward learning and implementing future-ready farming techniques. Imagine a world where fresh, healthy food is always available, grown locally, and produced efficiently. This is what hydroponics offers. The demand for fresh, pesticide-free produce is growing. Restaurants, health-conscious consumers, and even large supermarkets are looking for sustainable sources of fresh vegetables and herbs. Hydroponic farming is not just a hobby, it's a revolution in agriculture, and you can be part of it. If you're ready to take the first step into the future of farming, download your free ebook today. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content on hydroponics and sustainable agriculture. Comment below if you've downloaded the ebook and share what excites you most about hydroponics. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.